Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek statement from the Standing Committee on Roads, Transportation and Housing on the status of the implementation of Horn of Africa Gateway Development Project, and in particular, the upgrading of Isiolo-Madera Regional Road corridor. In the statement, the committee should provide the implementation status of the upgrading of Isiolo-Madera Regional Corridor, and in particular, whether works have commenced with respect to Elwak-Ramu Road section. Outline the financing framework for the upgrading of the Isiolo-Madera Regional Road Corridor with reference to specific development partners, if any, who have committed to financing the said project, giving the total amount of funding / loans received or expected to be received, and the particular component of the project to which the loans apply. Provide comprehensive details of the content of the financing agreement and whether or not the proceeds of any loans will be applied towards making payment for projects outside Horn of Africa Gateway Development Project. Investigate claims that the Kenya National Highways Authority, the project implementation agency, intends to apply or has applied part of the proceeds from the loan from the African Development Bank for financing the Elwak-Ramu Road A13 upgrading project towards payment of other contracts for consultancy services for feasibility study, environmental impact assessment, resettlement action plan, and detailed engineering designs of Umoja Kangundo Mwala Kithimani B63/B106 Road, Kisian Busia A12, and Ahero Nyamaseria A1 road sections, as indicated in the advertisement placed by Kenha in the Star newspaper on the 13th of February 2024. State the impact of the above claim, the impact that the above claim will have on the completion of the upgrading of the Elwak-Ramu Road and implementation of Horn of Africa Gateway Development Project, and whether this is in line with the financing agreement between the Government of Kenya and African Development Bank. And finally, explain the status of the road segments under the Horn of Africa Gateway Development Project that were to be funded through the annuity program of the Government of Kenya, namely Elwak-Ramu Road and Madogashe-Samata Road. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.